If your webcam still makes you look grainy, washed out, or stuck in 2015, it's time for an upgrade. In 2026, webcams are sharper, smarter, and packed with AI, features that seriously improve how you look on calls and streams. These are the ones worth buying. The OBSBOT Tiny 3 stands out because of its AI-powered tracking and motorized PTZ system. It automatically follows your movement, keeping you centered in the frame without needing manual adjustments. The video quality is sharp and detailed, making it ideal for professional calls, content creation, and live streaming. Autofocus is fast and reliable, and the low-light performance handles dim environments better than most standard webcams. Gesture controls add convenience, allowing you to trigger zoom or tracking without touching the camera. It feels more like a mini smart camera than a traditional webcam. For creators or professionals who move around while presenting, this level of automation makes a real difference. Check the description below for links and pricing. The OBSBOT Tiny SE delivers AI tracking in a more affordable package. It still offers smooth pan, tilt, and zoom functionality while keeping subjects centered automatically. The image quality is clear and consistent for video calls, streaming, and online teaching. It performs well in everyday lighting conditions and offers reliable autofocus. This webcam is ideal for users who want intelligent framing without investing in higher-end models. It integrates easily with major conferencing platforms and streaming software. If you're looking for smart tracking features at a more accessible price point, you'll find the purchase links in the description below. The Dell Pro Webcam focuses on sharp resolution and professional-grade clarity. It delivers crisp image quality with strong color accuracy, making it suitable for business calls and remote work environments. The build quality feels solid and minimal, fitting well into professional setups. Autofocus and exposure adjustments are responsive, helping maintain clear visuals in varying lighting conditions. It supports high-resolution output that makes a noticeable difference compared to built-in laptop cameras. This webcam is particularly well-suited for office professionals who prioritize image sharpness and reliable performance. If you want a dependable, professional-looking upgrade, check the description below for links and availability. The Logitech StreamCam Premium remains a favorite among streamers and content creators. It supports smooth frame rates and delivers consistent color reproduction. The camera performs well in moderate lighting and maintains sharp focus during movement. It's optimized for streaming platforms and integrates seamlessly with popular content creation software. The design supports both landscape and portrait orientations, making it useful for creators who post across multiple platforms. For everyday creators who want dependable performance without complicated setup, this is a solid option. You can find the purchase links in the description below. The Razer Kiyo Pro Ultra targets users who want near DSLR level quality from a webcam. It features a larger sensor that captures more light, resulting in better detail and improved low-light performance. Background separation looks more natural compared to typical webcams, giving streams and calls a more professional appearance. The image remains sharp and dynamic even in challenging lighting. It's designed for serious streamers, creators, and professionals who want top-tier visual quality without using a separate camera setup. The build and performance justify its premium positioning. If you want one of the highest quality webcam experiences available in 2026, check the description below for links and pricing. A good webcam can instantly upgrade your calls, streams, and online presence. Whether you want AI tracking or premium image quality, there's a strong option here for every setup. Subscribe for more smart tech upgrades and check the description below for all the links.